Episode 3, How to Practice Speaking English Without a Partner. You want to speak English fluently, but there's just one problem. You have no one to practice with. Sound familiar? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to practice speaking English completely by yourself and still sound natural, confident, and fluent. You'll be surprised how easy and powerful these methods are. Let's get started. Welcome to How to Learn English, the complete step-by-step series where we guide you from zero to confident English speaker. In today's episode, we're going to solve a problem that almost every English learner faces. How can I improve my speaking skills if I don't have a partner? No language buddy, no English-speaking friend, no expensive tutor. But here's the good news. You can become a fluent speaker on your own. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful, proven methods that will help you practice speaking English by yourself and actually sound more fluent and confident every single day. Section 1. Change your mindset first. Before we get to the techniques, let's fix the biggest myth. I need a native speaker to practice speaking. Wrong. Fluency starts with you, not someone else. The most fluent learners aren't the ones who wait for someone to speak with. They are the ones who create opportunities to speak, even if they're alone. Speaking is a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets, with or without a partner. So let's start training. Method 1, shadowing, repeat like an actor. Shadowing is the most powerful way to improve your speaking and pronunciation. Here's how it works. 1. Find a short English audio or video about 1 to 2 minutes long. 2. Play it and repeat what the speaker says at the same time. 3. Match their speed, tone, rhythm, and emotion. You're not just saying words, you're copying the music of English. This is how actors learn accents, and you can do the same. Try it 5 to 10 minutes a day. It feels awkward at first, but soon you'll sound more natural and confident. Method 2, mirror or no mirror. Yes, talk to yourself. Out loud, use a mirror if you like or not. The important thing is to speak. Talk about your plans for the day, what you see around you, your dreams, goals, problems, or ideas. You can even pretend to be in a conversation. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Just had a long day. Oh, really? What happened? This builds fluency, speed, and confidence, and it costs nothing. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. You'll be amazed how quickly you improve. Section 4, Method 3, record yourself daily. Take out your phone. Open the voice recorder. Start talking. Choose a topic like, what did you do today? What's your favorite movie and why? What would you do with $1 million? Record your answer. Then listen. You'll hear your mistakes. You'll hear your progress. You'll build awareness. Repeat the same topic again the next day. Try to sound better each time. This is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency alone. Section 5, read out loud with emotion. Pick any English content, a story, news article, dialogue, or even song lyrics. Now read it out loud, but not like a robot. Read it like an actor. Use feeling. Use your voice. Pretend you're telling a story to a friend. This trains pronunciation, rhythm, expression. It also builds speaking confidence and helps you get used to longer sentences. Do this for just 10 minutes a day. You'll sound more fluent and natural in no time. Section 6, Method 5. Practice Q&A with yourself. Asking and answering questions is a great way to prepare for real conversations. You don't need anyone else, you just need your brain. Try this. Ask, what do you like to eat for breakfast? Answer, I usually have eggs and toast. Sometimes I drink coffee. Now go deeper. Ask, why do you like it? Answer, because it's simple and quick, and I enjoy warm food in the morning. This builds fluency, vocabulary, and the ability to think in English, all by yourself. Bonus, create a daily speaking routine. Let me give you a simple solo speaking routine to follow every day. Morning, 5 minutes of mirror speaking. Afternoon, 10 minutes of shadowing a video or podcast. Evening, record a 2-minute voice diary. Anytime. Read a page out loud from a book or article. Even if you follow just 2 of these steps a day, you'll see real improvement in just weeks. Wrap up final thoughts. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a native speaker. You don't need permission. You just need to start. Speaking English fluently is possible, even if you're alone. These methods are not only effective, they're fun, free, and guaranteed to work if you stay consistent. So start today. Speak aloud, speak alone. And soon, you'll speak English with confidence, clarity, and power. If this episode helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. In Episode 4, we'll explore one of the biggest secrets to fluency: how to think in English and stop translating in your head. You don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching, and remember, your voice is your power.